All present are accounted for.
Affirmative. All present are accounted for.
The cleanup effort primarily consists of athletic staff and the Naval ROTC folks.
We start around 6 in the morning and we're here anywhere from 9 to 11 a.m.
When we first go up, we take care of the south stands, just get everyone up in a line. So there are 2 people in every row, the composters and recyclers, and a row above them stays ahead of the row below so that anything that falls down is going to be picked up. And they just cover as many rows as possible, and then when one row is done, they cycle through to the bottom.
We are okay coming here in the mornings, cleaning up the stadium after a good win, but when it gets real cold, that's hard.
Naval ROTC has done this for decades, and they are one of the best partners you could ever have. You tell them run, they say how fast. You tell them to jump, they say how high. They don't complain when they have to be here at 6 in the morning to do a cleanup. They truly are one of our best partners in making this possible.
I think we're really excited about contributing to the zero waste program. It's nice to see that Ohio State makes the effort to recycle and compost, and we are glad to be a part of that.